Hello everyone and welcome back to Pirate Sparrow Slots. I am having a beautiful day. A beautiful fall rain is coming down and I decided to start decorating for the holidays because you can't get ready too soon and Christmas is on its way just around the corner, 23 days away, and it will be time for Santa Claus to arrive. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. I love this time of year. I hope you do too. All right, in today's session, I'm going to take you inside a wonderful run on Lightning Link. Magic Pearl. I love to go underwater and dive for those pearls whenever I get a chance. Hey, if you're new around here, be sure to take a moment to subscribe. Go ahead and ring that bell. Make sure it is turned on for all notifications. And on top of all that, I think in this session you're going to see I gathered enough pearls to make a pearl necklace. That would make a nice Christmas gift. All right, I want you to come inside the casino and watch Lightning Link Magic Pearl with Pirate Sparrow Slots. Let's go. All right, this is Magic Pearl, Lightning Link. Like that major a lot, that would be beautiful. Gonna alternate between $5 and $10 bets. Here we go. That would have been good. First hit. Alright, and here comes the 10. Boy, that button was hard to push. Oh. Alright. Hi, Flipper. Almost, Flipper. And 4 more again. Wow. What a tease this morning. Hey, the bone eye. Holy cow, the bone eye. And it's Flipper. Maybe we'll get the hold and spin in here. Where's Patrol? He's fussing. He said he wanted to play with the dolphins. He's ready. Alright, he's ready to play with the dolphins. Alright, here we go, Patrol. Swim with the dolphins, baby. Oh, that was a nice ball that went by. Wow. Come on, drop one. A pearl, a pearl. Pearl of great price here would be lovely. Come on. Big white pearl. Come on. Come on. Pearl. Last chance for the pearl. Aw, no pearl for us.
That's a very big bonus.
No. Wow. Okay. Let's move off the denom if we're going to take a few on the, because we don't want to go right back.
Back up.
No, if I do, it'll be over here.
Okay. So we'll go get it over here.
All right.
3 of them.
Yeah, I wouldn't camp out there. We already had a bone eye. Just wasn't what we wanted. Yay, but that is. All right, the minis are worth 20. The minis are worth 20. And here we go. All right, here we go. Come on, drop them, drop them. Good ones. Thank you. More? All right. There we go. Thank you. All right, come on. Big money, big money. Come on. I saw it. That'd be lovely. Come on. Oh, hey. Hey, pearls in the morning. She wore a pearl necklace. Oh, did you see that 75?
Come on. Bring it to the rim.
Come on, drop some more, drop some more. Aww. Riding, 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 riding. Woo! Pearls, here we go.
You can do it, build it.
Alright. Treasure, treasure, treasure. Alright, thank you. Treasure, treasure.
Build it up. Build it up.
Here we go. One more. Ah.
Come on, put that major.
Treasure, treasure, treasure. Major. Woo! That was an exciting ride. That was fun. Here we go. You guys want to see all that? I do too. Alright. Alright. There it is, $260. If I take it back up, I want to go to a different denom. I want to do a $12.50, either on 5 cent or 50 cent. Alright guys, that was exciting. Yes it was. Alright, that certainly made up for the...
You want to see what nickels have?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
2 cent was nice. Remember, we still got a beautiful major up there.
Let's see nickels, let's see.
We know that that's 3 something, 6 and 12.50. Want to do between here and there? I just wanted to do it when I say so. Okay. Somebody's been, these are all sticky, they're weird. Feels like it. And moving right along to 12.50. Boy, is that hard. Okay. Hey, Flipper. Hi, Charles said he liked dancing with the dolphins. And one more. Now go to the 50 cent. That was funny. You got scared. Let's do the 12.50 on the 50 cent. You know what I'm saying. Move your finger, please, so I can see. Nope. Now, did you want to try that one? Come on, Flipper. And one more. All right. That is Magic Pearl, Lightning Link.